In today's video, I'm going to teach you free monthly budget template by Google. If you want a simple way to organize your income and expenses, Google Sheets has a built-in monthly budget template that can help you get started quickly. The nice thing about this option is that you do not need to create a spreadsheet from scratch. Google already provides a ready-made layout, so you can focus on entering your numbers and reviewing your budget. To begin, open Google Sheets on your computer. Make sure you are on the main Google Sheets homepage where you can create a new spreadsheet or browse available templates. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until all of the options appear clearly on the screen. Once you are in Google Sheets, select the File button. This is where you can access different spreadsheet options and settings. Depending on your screen size or browser window, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall process stays the same. Take your time here so you do not accidentally open the wrong menu. Next, click on the template gallery in the top right corner. This will expand the full list of templates that Google Sheets offers. The template gallery is useful because it groups different spreadsheet designs by purpose, making it easier to find exactly what you need without searching manually. After that, scroll down until you reach the Personal section. This area contains templates designed for everyday use, including planning, organization, and budgeting. If you do not see it right away, continue scrolling slowly, since the template list can be longer depending on your account view. When you find the Personal section, select the monthly budget template. As soon as you click it, Google Sheets will open a new spreadsheet based on that template. From there, you can begin customizing it with your own monthly income, bills, savings goals, and other spending categories. This template is especially helpful if you want a clearer picture of where your money is going each month. Before you start entering data, it is a good idea to review the different sections of the sheet so you understand how the totals are calculated. That way, you can use the template more confidently and avoid changing anything important by mistake. And that is all it takes to open the free monthly budget template in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.